Welcome again. In this next project, I want to show you how I created this sales receipts slash invoice and also the delivery slash Waybill note. So if you notice here in this first case, I gave someone this project to do, and what he did was to import this receipt as a bitmap file. I think it was in JPEG, and he now just load the title at the end. But if you look at this clearly, now I'm going to zoom it in. I'm zooming it in now. You can see that it looks blurry and grainy. So that's how bitmap files are. So I have to now use Corel Draw to redraw all this. So if you really watch this, this is just boxes and lines. So where do you find boxes? And where do you find lines? For example, if I go to the connector tool here, I can click here and draw my straight line. Once the line is straight, so I can use this to draw my straight lines, and I can also use the boxes to fill it up with the appropriate color and write my text on it. So it's just a combination of boxes. So what I now did was to employ this connector tool to draw these lines, to create all these columns and rows, and at the end of the day I got this. Then of course this shape here was gotten from a square box. So if I have a square box and I now click on my shape tool, I can shape it appropriately to whatever color structure that I want. So that's how I got that. So I had to now rebuild, redesign this sales receipt, and I got something nice. So if I stretch this, you can see the difference. It's a vector file now. The lines are not blurred, and it gives me exactly what I'm looking for. So just a combination of lines and square boxes will give you a good structure. So the graphic design is not just about importing images from anywhere, but at the end of the day, the resolution, the quality of what you are presenting is very nice. So the blurred images from the bitmap file was now transformed to a good file, a good vector file that of course is presentable. So it's something you can do, and I just feel I should show you that. So the tools I use there were basically the connector tool and of course the square boxes and the shape tool. That's what I did. I just imported the logo down and I got that done. Thank you for listening.